Now, in the previous video, we had successfully installed our Apache server just for 3 minutes. Right now, well, it was 4, but it doesn't matter. Right now, I want to show you how to run the actual PHP, because as you can see, hello world, it prints out okay, but the second line isn't printing out anything because it just doesn't understand what PHP echo means. So right now, let's dive right into it. So basically, if you didn't install it yet, check the previous video out. It will be right in the description. Let's dive right into it. So basically, first thing first, I want to stop our HTTPD just to check this out if it stopped. Okay, so it successfully stopped. Then we go to the next line and we just copied this one and go into our HTTPD conf. Okay, so to get into there, you gotta use the URL we were using previously. So you go into the homebrew, you go to the opt, you go to etc, then you go to the HTTPD, and then you find this file, you open this with the Visual Studio Code. And in the previous video, as you can see, we changed our directory. Before it was opt homebrew var www, but right now we're using ours. So the basically to allow our PHP works, first what we gotta find is load model. So we found all the models loading here. Then we go to the end of it and we just paste this. As you can see, we'll load the first model, which allows us to rewrite. Basically, this model is needed to, I'll tell you later, but the main one is this. So you gotta include this one. You can exclude this one, but this one is important, okay? Just in 2 minutes, I'll explain you why this is, what is it for, okay? So we take this one into there, and then, yep, everything's gonna work fine. Fine, I said. So we're just gonna save it. We go to here, and then we want to say brew services start HTTPD. HTTPD. So we just run this, and we just reload this one again. And as you can see, hi is working right now. So this worked fine. Now the question is, why did I use this line? Because basically, if you will just right now remove PHP, it doesn't make anything, and the reason for that is it doesn't know how to rewrite the file in order to use it without the PHP like extension. So in the next video, I want to show you how to use HT access file, which will allow to you use the files without their extension. So for example, I have redirect URI PHP, redirect URI .php, and as you can see, it works fine. But what if I want to have just this? I can't do it. So in the next video, you will dive right into it, and we will cover it for 2 minutes, I believe. So hopefully it was helpful. Have a good day, guys.